Today we'll talk about how can you add payment methods on your MoneyLion app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down, click on this sign down here, just click on it. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on wallet, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on payment methods. Click here on add a payment method, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Can here add your bank account or debit card here. Can you select? I'm going to click here on bank account, and here can you link your bank account here or use your account number. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.